Hi. So, back to our favorite friends, phrasal verbs. And today we've got 4 phrasal verbs to do with finances and money. The first one is a simple one, to pay off. Imagine you have a mortgage and the last payment you make on that mortgage means you've paid off the house. The house is now yours. Congratulations. The next one we have is bail or bail out. If you've ever watched a movie about cops, a detective show or anything like this, you might have come across this expression, which literally means you pay the police department or the judges in order to get that person out of jail. A bailout can also refer to a bank bailout. During a financial crisis, the government bailed out the banks. The next one is quite a funny one. It's one of my favorites, is squirrel away. Squirrel being the little animal that saves the nuts for the winter time. So, like that, you should understand that to squirrel away means to save the money, to put it away, and to keep it for a rainy day. So imagine you have a dental problem, you break a tooth or something. You go to the dentist and luckily you have some money squirreled away to pay for the dentist. And the last one, but not least, is the complete opposite to squirrel away. It's to splash out. Now, I wish I had enough money to splash out on things. To splash out literally means to throw money at something and not really care about its cost. Football teams do it all the time. They splash out millions of euros on football players. So you get the idea. So, whether it is pay off, bail out, squirrel away, or splash out, you have 4 new phrasals for your financial dictionary.